Every year, dozens of private aircraft vanish from the grid. But what happens when the jungle swallows a multi-million-dollar machine whole? For decades, coastal jungles have acted as green oceans, hiding the secrets of those who ventured too far from the sea. But today, the mystery ends. Our maritime exploration team tracked an anomaly miles inland from the coast. The mission: locate a lost private transport helicopter. The goal? Not just to find it, but to engineer the impossible. We are going to turn an aviation graveyard into a world-class, off-grid luxury villa. The jungle is relentless. It consumes metal, plastic, and glass, breaking down human engineering in a matter of years. And there she is, a heavy-lift civilian transport chopper, abandoned to the elements. At first glance, it's nothing more than scrap metal, a rotting relic of a forgotten journey. But aviation-grade aluminum doesn't rust like steel. The core structure is remarkably preserved. Beneath the decay, the bones of this machine are stronger than a traditional house. Before any artistic transformation can happen, we must secure the perimeter and establish a safe working zone. Deep in the jungle, we are entirely off-grid. Power, water, and tools must be meticulously managed. Millions of laser points create a digital twin of the airframe, accurate down to the millimeter. The blueprints are drafted. We will expand the side doors into a panoramic deck and turn the cargo bay into a master suite. The centerpiece will be a hyper-realistic 3D epoxy floor, bringing the ocean we left behind directly into the jungle. Old aviation fluids are highly toxic. They must be safely extracted and contained to protect the surrounding ecosystem. The power washing is brutal but satisfying. Stripping away the jungle reveals the true scale of our canvas. The aerospace alloy has survived the high humidity perfectly. It is light, strong, and ready for a second life. Any compromised metal is excised. We only keep the structurally sound components. Precision is key. The fuselage must remain perfectly balanced on its foundation. Inside, the cargo hold is a time capsule of decay. The gutting process strips the interior down to its bare mechanical ribs.
We remove the original flooring to access the substructure. This will be the foundation for our 3D epoxy masterpiece.
To support a luxury interior, the original aerospace frame requires reinforcement.
By grafting architectural steel to the aluminum, we create a rigid skeleton capable of supporting massive glass windows.
Epoxy resin acts like water. If the subfloor is off by even 1 degree, the entire art piece will pool to one side.
A perfectly leveled canvas. The stage is set for the transformation.
This is the optical illusion, a hyper-realistic 3D mural that will trick the eye into seeing immense depth.
Every square inch is pressed flat. A single trapped air bubble would ruin the final 3D effect. With the mural secured, the illusion of an ocean trench now sits inside an aircraft, deep in the jungle.
But to make it look like real water, we need chemistry.
Mixing must be slow. Agitating the resin too quickly introduces millions of microbubbles.
A micro drop of azure pigment is added to mimic the natural light refraction of seawater. The flood begins. The liquid glass pours over the 3D mural, instantly magnifying the depth and colors. The epoxy acts as a lens. It creates a flawless, mirror-like barrier that transforms the flat print into a deep ocean.
Spiked shoes allow the team to walk directly in the liquid,
while ensuring an absolutely even distribution.
Heat forces any trapped air to expand and pop, leaving behind a surface as smooth as still water.
Electrochromic glass provides instant privacy at the touch of a button, without the need for curtains.
We want to preserve the history of the machine. But during the extraction of the dashboard, the reality check, our team uncovers a heavily sealed titanium lockbox hidden deep in the avionics bay. Treasure hunters dream of gold, but in the real world of exploration, information is the ultimate prize. This wasn't a crash. The logs reveal this chopper was abandoned deliberately by a private geological survey team in the 1980s. They were mapping uncharted underwater cave systems just offshore. They left the chopper behind to escape a sudden monsoon by boat. The mystery of its abandonment is solved. Now, we finish its resurrection. The interior is outfitted with custom-milled cabinetry designed to perfectly match the aerodynamics of the cabin. Warm natural woods are brought in to contrast the cold aerospace aluminum and the deep blue resin. The master suite is elevated, allowing the 3D ocean floor to flow visually underneath the sleeping area. A luxury rain shower is integrated directly into the structural skeleton, blending brutalism with high-end comfort. Lighting is everything. Hidden LEDs trace the curves of the aircraft, highlighting the engineering of the past. The living space is doubled by constructing an outdoor teak deck, anchoring the floating villa firmly into the jungle. Treated to withstand the extreme coastal humidity, the deck provides a seamless transition from the wild to the refined.
Where a massive turbine once sat, a silent, high-efficiency HVAC system now breathes fresh air into the cabin. A final mirror polish is applied to the epoxy art, removing any microdust that settled during construction.
The visual depth is staggering. A masterpiece of modern polymer engineering.
The furnishings are selected to echo the colors of the jungle and the sea.
Thousands of man-hours, cutting-edge spatial scanning, and gallons of chemical resin.
The exterior commands respect, a tribute to aviation design.
But the interior is pure imagination.
You are standing in the jungle, but looking into the abyss of the ocean.
A space where survivalist history meets modern architectural perfection. The pilot's seats now offer the ultimate view of the jungle canopy. Sleeping beneath the reinforced ribs of an aircraft that once defied gravity. Once a rotting, forgotten shell. Now, the ultimate off-grid sanctuary. We resurrected this machine and uncovered the geological secrets hidden inside it. A shocking truth. The map points to a massive, unexplored anomaly just off the coast.
If this is what they abandoned the helicopter for, what exactly is waiting for us down there?
The data from the helicopter's hidden drive aligns perfectly with our maritime sensors.
Whatever the 1980s survey team found, it was large enough to make them abandon a multi-million-dollar aircraft.
We brought the ocean into the jungle with epoxy and art.
But art is merely an imitation of reality.
And reality is always far more dangerous.
We send the drone down into the twilight zone, chasing the ghost of a 30-year-old map.
The sea guards its treasures in total darkness and crushing pressure.
The men who left the chopper traded the safety of the sky for the unforgiving depths. Every rivet and seam in this villa was engineered to withstand extreme conditions.
But human engineering has its limits when faced with the abyss. In the jungle, the dawn brings clarity and light. At the bottom of the ocean, there is only the cold unknown.
We transformed an abandoned wreck into a sanctuary of peace.
But the seafloor reveals a wreck that cannot be so easily tamed.
The dimensions are staggering. It isn't a natural formation.
The luxury we built was inspired by the very environment we are now exploring.
A masterpiece of upcycling, proving that design can conquer decay.
The survey team didn't find a reef. They found a submerged titan. The villa stands as a testament to human resilience and artistry. But the true adventure lies in what we leave behind to search for the unknown. The jungle has accepted its new architectural resident. From a rotting shell to the ultimate luxury escape, the transformation is complete. The maps were right. The geological team found the holy grail of salvage operations.
Every discovery leads to a new mystery. Every abandoned relic holds a story.
We mastered the jungle, turning decay into a world-class masterpiece. The shocking truth is, the ocean never gives up its greatest prizes without a fight. We brought the helicopter back to life. But what exactly is waiting for us inside the sunken Titan?